Hi writers, these are the directions for the run-on sentences. So just click on run-on sentences on your home slide and then click on run-on sentences on your home slide, and then you just need to make sure that you have your writing with you or you're ready to find it on your iPad. Here is a lesson about run-on sentences and also this poster on the run. If you click on either one of these, those are just some quick mini lessons about run-on sentences. And then the Brain Pop picture will load you to a Brain Pop lesson about run-on sentences. So you can watch one or watch two or watch all three. Then when you're done, you will want to edit your writing for run-on sentences. All right, good luck, guys.